And anybody in the city of Chicago can buy federally backed flood insurance. No matter what agent you go to, your homeowner's agent, the price is the same. Your agent, your agent, your agent. FEMA controls the price. But it only covers surface water flooding, damage to your residence or business caused by water flowing over the surface of the land, affecting 2 or more properties, one of which you don't own. So if one is the city's parkway or the city's street, and your home, surface water flooding, that's a covered claim under flood insurance. There's no federally designated flood hazard area in the 21st Ward. That's a good thing. That means flood insurance premiums are the cheapest they could possibly be for you. However, the calls that we started getting in June for this flood event that you're here to talk about was not a surface water flood. It was sewer backup. And as Mr. Laporte said, you have a surcharge combined sanitary and storm sewer. So what goes out your sanitary drain combines in the street with what comes down by rain, and the sewers are not designed for that load, and water goes downhill, no matter what direction that is, comes back into our basements. And I've had the same situation you've had. Flood insurance is available to you, but it covers surface water flooding.
Right.
Okay. Now, sewer backup endorsements on your homeowner's insurance is generally available. Most of the good companies offer it, and it's not expensive at all. It averages about $75 or $100 a year, in addition to your homeowner's insurance. And typically, it provides up to $5,000 of coverage. If your sewer backs up, if your sump pump fails, if there's a drain that backs up, it's got a deductible separately from your homeowner's coverage. And there's some underwriting criteria that your agent has to work with you on. But if you don't have that, you need to talk to your insurance agent for the next time. Mr. Laporte was talking about the strategy of disconnecting downspouts. Let me tell you from personal experience, it's very important and it works. I flooded 3 times in 10 years with that bad stuff coming back up in my finished basement. Sound familiar? I was surcharging my own sewer because in where I live, combined sewer system like you have, sanitary and storm, my stormwater from my roof and my gutters was causing the sewer to back up into my own house. I disconnected, I did exactly what he said. I have not had sewer backup since then. That doesn't mean if we get 5 inches of rain overnight, I'm not going to have it, but the probability of getting damage for that event is less. So the message is, flood insurance is available. You could have a covered claim under flood if you get surface water flooding. But homeowners insurance, rental insurance is available for renters to cover their personal property, right? The landlord's problem is the building. Your stuff, your personal property, the good companies offer that. If you have a garden apartment especially, something like that, you need to talk to your insurance agent. This is private sector coverage, but it's generally available.
How often can you use that before your company drops you? I had to use mine already, so I was scared to report that this time. They're gonna drop you.
You need to talk to your agent about that.
Oh,
the good ones, and I'm not going to drop names, the good ones don't drop you for filing a claim.
Now, if you keep on filing, they will.